the part 3. Okay, we're gonna play. So I'm gonna get something. This thing, oh, there's some clay here.
Okay. Food.
So you're in part 4 if this doesn't fit.
Yeah.
Okay?
Kumpleto lahat. Walang tawagan. Ito na ang namin. Kung ito namin ayun. Baba.
Egg.
Yeah, egg. Magluluto kami.
So let's go. We're gonna boil the eggs.
Magluluto kami ng
We're gonna boil the eggs so we can eat it. Make the dough. Gonna cut it, the noodle. Oh, so we're then gonna cut it.
Nai-skip niya kaya nagaganon.
We actually made this. See you in part 3. Bye.